Interrogations with the culprits. Charlie Crook.
Do you think I could get through that little window? Can't you see how big I am? Anyway, my young grandchild is visiting right now. I haven't the time for a break-in.
Betty Bandit.
Excuse me. I rob banks. I know nothing about art.
Robbie Robber.
When I get rich, I'm going to move to a desert island and eat cheesy crisps all day long. Where do you think I would hang a painting then? In a palm tree?
Rita Rascal.
Would I steal an old dusty painting from a museum? See, it makes me cough just thinking about it.
Penny Pickpocket.
Are you wondering why I have a plaster on my forehead? I tripped on a bit of carpet and hit my forehead against the table.
Theodore Thief. A painting? Well, let me know when you have caught the culprit. I'll buy the painting for my art museum.